Why are you still paying full price for your Rogers bill when you could be getting a 30% discount just by changing the card you tap at the grocery store? When I first started looking into the Rogers Bank ecosystem, I was just looking for a simple no-fee card. But after using them for a year, I realized the best card depends entirely on one specific number: your annual income. If you are earning at least $80,000 a year, or $150,000 as a household, the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard is the undisputed winner. It's a $0 annual fee card that acts like a premium travel card. For my daily spending, I get 2% unlimited cash back on everything, including Costco, which is rare. But here is the kicker: because I have a Rogers mobile plan, I get a 1.5x redemption bonus. That means my 2% cash back effectively becomes 3% when I apply it to my internet or phone bill. I've also found it much better for travel than the base model. It includes rental car collision insurance and out-of-province medical coverage, which saved me a couple $100s on my last trip. Plus, you get 3% back on US dollar purchases, which basically offsets the foreign exchange fees. Now, if you don't hit those income requirements, don't worry. The standard Rogers Red MasterCard is your go-to. It also has no annual fee and gives you that same 2% cash back and the 3% effective value on Rogers redemptions as long as you have one qualifying service with Rogers, Fido, or Shaw. The main trade-off I noticed is the lack of insurance and the lower 1% earn rate if you ever lose your Rogers service. For my daily routine, I treat this card as my everything else bucket. I use a dedicated card for groceries and gas to get 4%, but for everything that doesn't fit a category, car repairs, dental visits, or shopping at Costco, the Rogers World Elite is always in my hand. It's the simplest way to turn everyday spending into a free phone bill every few months. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.